go ahead and add your 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese and your half stick of butter. This one is going to be room temperature. The cream cheese can either be room temperature or not. Mine's still cold, just to help it hold up a little bit more because cream cheese frosting is incredibly soft. It's super easy to double up this recipe as well because it's just 1 stick and 1 stick, so it's 2 sticks each. And then you double the powdered sugar. I'm just gonna mix the cream cheese first, just so it's a little smooth. Okay, and I'll add the butter. Fluffy like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and scrape everything down and then beat it again or whip it, whatever. Oof, I need a better spatula, one that'll like actually get in there. Maybe it's all like that, I don't know. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add in some sifted powdered sugar and vanilla. Now we're going to go ahead and sift in our powdered sugar. Sorry for the awkward angle, it's just this is where the window is, and over there there's no light. It's just super orange, so we get this awkward angle. Alright, so we're going to do about 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. And this goes perfectly with carrot cake, red velvet cake, things like that. Even with pumpkin bread. I actually posted a carrot cake recipe, so if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out because this is the frosting that I use with that. So I'll post this one up next, I believe, so it'll go with the carrot cake one, and then I'll post the chocolate cupcakes and the chocolate frosting. Okay, so 1. About 3.5. And they're just gonna sift this in. Zelda, don't eat the paper. Just lick it. Oh my god, I still have chocolate from the cupcakes that I'm making. I'm making all of this for one order, so I figured I'd film it. Add your vanilla. Just kind of eyeball it, maybe like a couple teaspoons. and scrape the bowl. You always want to scrape it in between everything that you do. Especially with this, because you could get clumps of cream cheese in the final product and it doesn't look good. So, I mean, it does not even taste any different. Just gonna add a little bit more. See, I got clumps. Oh my gosh. See, I even scraped down the bowl and my cream cheese still got chunky. I think, too, the cream cheese was chilled, so that's why. It's always a hit or miss, honestly. I still haven't found out the perfect way to get rid of the chunks. Sometimes there's no chunks at all and it's great, and other times there are, so this is it. And I'll show you too when I make the cupcakes and I frost them. So I have some vanilla cupcakes right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and frost them so you can see the consistency of that frosting. So I just have it in a bag. I'm just gonna test it out first. Hold on. Okay. Can you see it? So like so. I feel like there's some air bubbles in it, but I didn't want to mix it too much because then it was gonna get too soft. Yeah, and then there's still some clumps in there from the cream cheese, but it's okay, man. It's gonna taste the same. So that is the cream cheese frosting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below if you tried it. And if you tried it, did you like it? Is there something I could change? But yeah, I don't recommend this one too much for decorating cakes. I've noticed 2 of the cakes I frosted this with, they were fine, and then after that I made some more, and then it's like the frosting was dripping off. So it could just be because it's summer and it's hot, or I did something different and I haven't caught it yet. So I have to still practice with cake decorating, cream cheese frosting. But for now, this is perfect for either filling or cupcakes. Bye, guys.